Today on How To Blinds, we'll show you how to measure up for a freehang pleated or cellular blind. First, we'll measure the width of the blind. Measure the recess at 3 points: the bottom, middle and top. And note down the smallest measurement, accurate to the millimetre. Now we'll measure the drop of the blind. Again, we'll measure the recess at 3 points: the left, middle and right sides. And note down the smallest measurement of the three. That's how to measure for a freehang pleated or cellular blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.